You're complaining of low sales and no sales as a dropshipper or a business owner, but you don't show up on your pages. Do you know that those social media pages are your shop? When customers come or when you're online to buy something and you don't show up, they see that you upload pictures today and you won't show up until the next 2 weeks or until the next 1 month. They will move on to the next available serious buyer. So you need to always show up on those pages. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Funmike. You're welcome to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for the support so far. I really appreciate you guys. And if you're new on this channel, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Funmike. I create content on business ideas, do-it-yourself tutorials, food and lifestyle. I film from Lagos, Nigeria. Why not join my team today by subscribing to this channel? Just hit that subscribe button down there and also turn on the post notification so you don't miss out on new upload. So today I'll be talking on tips on how to improve sales. Are you a seller online and you've been complaining of no sales or low sales? So today I'll be giving you tips. I'll be sharing tips on how to increase sales or how to drive traffic to your online store. If this might interest you, stay tuned. So today, like I said earlier, I'll be sharing tips on how to improve sales online as a dropshipper or as a business owner. I'll be sharing tips on how to improve sales and those mistakes you should avoid as an online seller or as a dropshipper. I understand that you're scared of putting in all the time, putting in the resources and not getting sales. That is absolutely fine, but you can't go anywhere with that wrong mindset. So you need to take that mindset away. You need to deal with that wrong mindset and take it away. You won't go anywhere or you won't go far in dropshipping when you don't have the right mentality. You feel like the market is saturated and you won't get it. See, the sky is big enough for all birds to fly. The sky is big enough. In dropshipping, nobody's going to stop your shine when you know what you're doing. So just have that right mentality. Take away the wrong mentality and put on that mentality of a winner. You can't fail. The second tip that I'll be giving is always show up. Consistency is key. In short, in every sphere of life, always be consistent. You don't want to show up today and we won't see you till the next 2 weeks, till the next month. Always show up, stick to your words, be a doer, and when you do that consistently, your customers will definitely come. The right customer will only show up when you're consistent. When you're not consistent, they'll move on to the next available serious seller. As a seller or as an online vendor, you only upload, you only advertise when you feel like. You only advertise today and you won't show up on the next 2 weeks until the next 1 month. They will move on to the next person. They will move on to the next person, to the next seller who is serious. So please, always make this an habit. Always show up. Always be consistent. When you always show up, the right customer will show up for you when due. Just start up. Just show up. Take that first step. It is in doing that you learn. You won't learn if you don't do it. You won't learn if you don't start up. So just start up. Just take that first step. Just take the right step, and that is it. That is where it starts. Take away, fight that fear. Take away the fear of failing. The next tip I'll be sharing on how to improve sales online as an online seller is joining different Facebook groups. This right here worked for me when I was starting off on Facebook. I started my business on Facebook. I joined various buying and selling Facebook groups. That was what I did, and I got massive sales. That was where I started getting customers and customers that sticked to me. This is a great way of finding customers. Just go on Facebook and search for those buying and selling platforms and build your community from there. Position your business to the right audience and you will definitely get sales. The reason why you're not getting sales is that you've not gotten the right audience. Position yourself in the right places. When you Restrategize, you will definitely get the right customers for your business. So go online, go and search for those Facebook groups, buying and selling. If you're into baby products, get those groups that deals with motherhood and child parenting and start posting. Another thing you can do to improve sales, either online or even offline, is try discount sales or clearance sales. I recently did it for my goods this week, and the result has been amazing, mind-blowing. Almost my goods are cleared. So I did that. I just removed a certain percent of the regular price and I started getting orders, real orders. You can also do when they buy 2 or 3 items, you give them something, you just add a gift to it, or you give them the 4th one if you can afford it. Please don't go and do pass yourself. Don't go there, do pass yourself, please. Once you remove a certain, it might be 10% off the regular price, and 10 discount sales or clearance sales, and watch customers start sending orders to you. That is one of the ways to improve sales, either offline or online. The next one I will be talking about is referral program. You can actually do this with your past customers, people who have bought from you at some point. Tell them to refer you. I think I've mentioned this before. Let me just buttress it. Tell them to refer you to their family and friends who might find your service or the product you sell useful. You can do that, and even for your family and friends as well. Tell them word of mouth. Tell them to refer you to their friends. Tell them to help you advertise. And another thing is, you can also give them an offer, an enticing offer, that when they refer people to you and those people bought from you, they will get a certain cut, either like 10% of what the customer buys. You're going to give them. So it works. That works too. Referral program. Build a good referral program as a seller, either offline or online. Build a good referral program, and it will up like it has been working for people, and I'm sure if you try that, it will definitely work well for you. When they refer people to you, they get either like 10% or 50% of the total item the customer buys. Try it and let me see what happens. Another way on how to improve sales is routine checkup. The past customers you've had, like people who have bought from you at some point, when last have you sent them a message? It might be SMS or mail or even WhatsApp messages. When last have you done that? Few weeks on a group, in one of those group I have, like the admin gave us like a challenge and told us it was a 7 days challenge, and gave us one of that particular tip, that all our past customers, we should just check up on them, to just check about their general well-being, and not necessarily to advertise. Just check up on them. Just send a routine checkup, especially even at a time like this, COVID and all. We should just send a message to them and ask them how they are faring. I hope they are fine. How are they coping during this COVID, whatever, during the pandemic? And I did that. I was even strategic with mine because I knew I had a goal. So when I was constructing the message I was to send, I worded it very well. Like, I asked after their well-being, how they are coping and everything. And after that, there's this template, like a design. My graphic designer helped me add my logo and some of the products I sent, so that even if they don't have my number again, when they see that banner attached to the message, they have an idea of who is sending the message. After I drafted the message, the down part, I just would love from Funmike, and I attached that flyer, the design to it, and I sent it as a broadcast to every customer I have their details. I got responses from some people, which they are always this, and I told them, this is so person, you bought so from me. And from there I got, like, there's this particular woman who has bought something from me for over 2 years ago. She asked me, I was like, you bought net from me at some point, and she said, oh, she's still using it and all that. Okay, she wants to order, and she ordered again. It is an avenue of improving sales. So just try that and see the outcome. Those your customers, your past customers, those who have even made an inquiry from you at any point in time, just create a nice message. Just draft one, checking up on them like a routine checkup, and send to them. That way, I'm very sure like you will get sales from that. Try it. See, I understand that the market is saturated. I know that there are so many sellers online. Like, I perfectly understand that. But please, for each customer, for every customer who buys from you, always put in your best to attend to them. Please, always put in your best to attend to them. Follow up till that item gets to your customer, till it gets to the end user. Follow up, and after delivery, ask them, have they seen it, have they checked, do they like it? Ask for their feedback. Even if it's a negative feedback, just take it. It is normal. See, it is normal. Even if it is negative feedback, just take it, work on it to become a better person. If your old-time customer have a good experience buying from you, they will definitely come back again or refer new people to you. So always make sure that each customer that buys from you gets value for the money they pay to you. Always make sure you provide value to everybody, to every person, to every customer buying from you. So please, I understand that there are also, like, there are some difficult customers that it is very difficult to please them, but please always put in your best when attending to every customer. Like, let them have a good experience buying from you, and you won't have problem in retaining them. Be that seller who is diligent, be consistent, be strategic. You can't keep doing the same thing over and over again and expect a new result. So please re-strategize. we all know that times are hard, like COVID is everywhere and getting sales now is like survival of the fittest. So please be diligent, be strategic, sit again and re-strategize. With this point I have given so far, be diligent, always show up. When you continue showing up, the right customers will show up for you. It is in doing that you learn. You can't keep doing the same thing over and over again. Be strategic, start thinking of new ways. With those points, with those tips I've given, start implementing them. I am very sure you will get a different result. Be diligent, always show up. Like, put your business in people's face. Put yourself in places you know you'll be discovered. Put yourself in strategic places. Your WhatsApp status is there. Please make use of that. Like, when people wake up, when they come to check their status, let the pictures of your goods be staring at them. That when they think of getting bags, when they think of getting shoes, you will be the first person. They'll be like, yes, there's this lady that is stuck to your status that is always posting pictures. Let your brand be the first thing that comes to their head. Put yourself in strategic place, like strategize, and just throw yourself in people's faces, and you will definitely get amazing results. I promise you that. With these few tips I've given out to help improve sales, I believe that if you implement them, you will get new results. You will get amazing results. Please implement them. I'll be waiting to hear your success story. Thank you so much for watching. The links to my previous videos will be in the comment section. Please check them out. If you need to start a business, without capital, I have some videos on that. You can check the description box. Check the link up here for videos on how to start business without capital, which is dropshipping, and also I gave contacts of importers I've been dropshipping for in the past 4 years. So please check them out. And if you're yet to subscribe, please join my team today by subscribing. Thank you so much. I appreciate the love and support so far. Thank you so much. Please just hit that subscribe button down there. And if you find this video helpful, please like, comment and share. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe if you are yet to, and also let me know the next video you'd love to watch on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Catch me in the comment section. Thank you so much. I love you all.